Good afternoon. Or good morning. 10 minutes it'll be afternoon. You better get excited because we're going north. We'll be airborne in about 25 minutes. Got a few ponds we're going to hit. Haven't really decided exactly where we're going yet. We'll be up there by 1 o'clock, 1:30. Have all the tents, camping gear, everything set up by 2. And we'll be fishing by no later than 2:30. And we're going to fish until dark. Between now and dark, we're going to have good brook trout, hopefully. Where we're going isn't a lot of action. When you get action, it's good action. If we don't get a fish tonight, we might try fishing a little faster pond tomorrow. Tonight's going to be all about slower fishing. As far as Maine goes, a chance at trophy brook trout. We're going for the 5-pound plus range. So hopefully that happens. We'll see you in a little bit. We're packed up, we're headed out. We're going to stop and get gas halfway. Here we go. All gassed up. Next stop, big fat brook trout. We made it in. It's chilly and it's blowing, but we're gonna get bundled up a little bit. Get the outboard out. The water in here is crystal clear.
And it is cold.
And it's cold. Alright, we'll be in the water soon. Gathering up some wood. It's still blowing pretty hard, so we're gonna take care of the tent and all the camp stuff while the wind is blowing. Once we get this stuff taken care of, we'll go out and go fishing. We've come to the conclusion that there's no fish in this pond. We're kicking ourselves for not trying a different one, but it's alright, because we probably won't be back. Nymphing didn't work. We've now got 4 rods out, just asking for a snarl. We're trolling some streamer flies, some artificial, you name it, we're trolling it. Then troll till dark, go and get a fire going, get some sleep, and we're out of here at the first sign of daylight. Never in a million years did I dream we'd be done fishing right now, but we can't take it anymore. I don't even know if there's fish in here. It's crazy. We trolled around here. Well, we've been trolling since 1 o'clock. Evidently, they're not biting. We gave up. It's cold. We're gonna get a fire going, eat some food, and we're planning on being out of here at just as early as we can. Go try a different pond, one that we have caught fish in. Dinner's being cooked early because we can't catch trout because we're junk. Gonna eat some food,
Regroup,
climb in the tent, and go to bed. Get up at the crack of dawn and go find a better pond. You want me to tell you what the temperature's gonna get down to tonight now?
30.
Now that we're up here.
32.
It said 37 up here. It's supposed to be cold tonight, down in the 30s, 36. I'm a little nervous about my sleeping bag, to be honest. My sleeping bag's rated for 40. Sleeping ain't bad, it's when you gotta get up is what sucks. Head into bed. Now this pond that we're going to is also pretty slow, but has big fish in it. So we're going to start there, fish there for the first few hours of the day. And if it's too slow, then we're going to go to a faster pond. Should be pretty good. Getting a big fish is a little harder, but we should have some good action. Headed to bed. See you in the morning. It's 20 minutes to 4. And I'm tired of laying here. Good morning. It's cold, but I could have used a warmer bag for sure. But we're gonna get stuff packed up, get in the plane, and get out of here. It's getting daylight early. It's sun's starting to rise. It's 3:30 right now. I thought it would still be darker now, but there's quite a difference in when it gets daylight and dark up here. I think from here to the coast, it was as much as 10 o'clock last night before it actually got dark. Oh, it's cold. I don't know what it is about temperature in the summer and spring compared to winter, but 35 degrees right now. It feels a lot colder than it does in the winter. 35 degrees in the winter time, I'd be in a t-shirt. But we're gonna finish packing up and we'll be out of here soon. Just want to show you something if you don't believe that it's cold.
Fairly cold when it's coming in frost.
Look at the fish jumping over there.
Yeah, right.
We can fish here if you want.
Out here.
Alright, we're done. We made it into the next pond. And what a morning. There's fish jumping everywhere. I think it's gonna be good. Does it get any better than this right here? What a morning. Rods are out. There's fish jumping. We just gotta get them to bite. Dad's having some action. He just had a hit. He's got him.
Yep.
He's got him. Fish on.
Nice fish.
Is it?
Nice fish.
We got no landing net.
Nice fish. Huge fish. Ooh.
Is it? Yes, Dad. Yes. Yes.
Look, here he comes. Watch him roll.
Are we looking with no landing net?
He hit it 3 or 4 times.
Oh, he's making a run. This is a good fish.
There he comes. Look.
Oh, nice trout. Beauty trout. What's your guess on the size?
3.5.
Good enough.
And I usually guess low, I think.
You guess low?
I usually guess low.
I don't know. I've heard you say you've had some monsters on and they come up and they were about 16 inches.
That's a monster. Ooh. Oh, I hope I don't lose him. I just want to get a look at him.
It's a good fish. Ooh, it's a nice fish. That's a big fish.
Yeah, he's good.
It's big. That's a big fish. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Yeah, 3.
That's a nice trout.
Deep.
Yeah. I think he's all 4.
Yeah, he is. He's over 4.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's over 4.
Yeah.
4.5. That's what he is.
Yeah.
You get your camera.
Yeah, it's running right now. Hold it up.
I was gonna get some pictures of you and.
You got him?
Yeah. Look at the fins on.
That's a beautiful fish.
Nice trout.
Beautiful brook trout. Beautiful trout.
I mean, hold it.
5 pounder.
I'm talking about right there.
We're all done here. We caught a nice fish, 5 pounder. We're headed for a river with the waded roots and fly rods. We're gonna try some stream fishing. Okay, we made it into another pond. We were gonna fish a river, but the water looked real high, so we came to another one of our favorites. This is a lot faster fishing, but the chances of catching a big one aren't as great. And this boat is not what you would call watertight. She's got a couple leaks.
You would have been sick. You caught a 7-pound brown trout in Little Tunk in this boat. And now look where it is.
We flew it in here on the floats. We tied it right off. There's fish jumping everywhere. So I think we'll be able to get a little action here.
If we don't sink.
If we don't sink, we'll get some action.
If you don't hear back, we sunk.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go try to catch a fish.
Need the hose.
Dad's got a trophy on. Ain't that a beauty?
Poor little bugger.
Well, he's trimming me. That's 2-0. What's going on here? Fish on. I'm on the board. I don't think he's huge, but this one ain't much, I don't think. Maybe 12 inches. This is our go-to spot if we get discouraged. When we get bored and we're not catching much, this is a fun pond. You catch a lot of fish. And occasionally you can, there are 4-pounders in here, but they're hard to get. There's 2. Dad's hooked up. He's got another monster. Oh, I got one on. We got a double. Hold on, let me show. Oh, he threw it over. He didn't want you guys to see his trophy. Uh-oh. I better shut the camera off because mine ain't any better. Alright, we're all done. We just gassed up at Moosehead. We're gonna head for the coast. We made it back to the coast. Fun part's over. Now we gotta unpack and sack and organize and clean and get ready for the next trip. Thanks for watching. See ya.